back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be for those of you who are looking for an overnight job. Maybe you're trying to work two full-time jobs and you have a daytime job and you're looking for a nighttime job, or maybe you're a night owl, or maybe you have other responsibilities during the day and you just want to work at night. Whatever the case, this is for you if you want to work overnight hours. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Partech. Now, Partech has 238 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor with a rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. Now, one thing to quickly note, this is the job page, but when you come to this page, you're going to see a lot of information about the company awards they've won. You just have to kind of scroll down the page a little bit, and once you get about middle of the way to the page, you'll see the actual job listing. They are hiring a technical support agent, remote work from home. This is for the United States only, and this is for those overnight hours. Now, they are a leading provider of technology to the top restaurant brands in the world, and they're calling all rebels, instigators, idealists, and builders to join their constantly growing team. They are looking for somebody specifically to work Friday through Tuesday, 10:30 p.m. to 7 o'clock a.m. That is the overnight shift. This is an entry-level position with a lot of room for growth and upward mobility, they say. They're basically looking for somebody to provide first-level problem solving for their point-of-sales hardware and software and other PAR products, including but not limited to operational and technical problems. You'll utilize service management systems, gathering and maintaining service incident data. You'll contribute to the knowledge management system. You'll have the ability to work a variety of shifts, including weekends, holidays, and overtime, so you need to be flexible with the schedule you're working, but you're going to perform customer service administrative tasks, assign and understand the customer database, and processing customer part requests. So this is basically just a technical support for anybody having problems with the point of sales hardware, software, or needing to order parts to fix those. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They prefer somebody who's a minimum of 1 year customer service experience. Help desk experience is preferred but not required. You've got to have great problem solving and communication skills and basic Windows computer knowledge, how to use a computer. You do have to have your own reliable internet with broadband or fiber, and it says an associate's degree in some kind of electronic technology or Microsoft certifications is a plus but not required, so no actual education and degree is required. The pay for this position is $19 an hour. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.